How to get a payment extension with Boost Mobile. Go to the Boost Mobile homepage, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner of the Boost Mobile homepage to expand the menu. Locate the support option on the expanded menu and click on it. It will take you to the Boost Mobile support page. Scroll down on the support page until you find the support section. Click on the Get Help button in the support section to go to the support teams page. There are multiple options available to contact a Boost Mobile representative. Customer support is available between 8 a.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern Time. Once you choose your situation truly and kindly explain your situation, whether you are speaking with the representative via chat or over the phone. Don't panic if you can't pay your Boost Mobile bill by your due date. Explain your situation to a Boost Mobile representative and they may be able to help you get the extension you need.